Alright, for this first step, you're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, and a ruler that goes up to 6 inches. So on the corner of your paper, you're going to measure 4 inches, and just put a little mark there. Maybe do 2 of them. And then going the opposite way, you're going to want to measure 3 inches. Again, doing 2. So you have a straight line. Then make a mark on your 4-inch line at the 5 inches. And then from this mark, you're going to place it on the 1 and make a line right here. Then draw up this line and close it off. So you can cut these out with the handsaw if you want. I'm going to be using 3/4 inch wood. You can use 1/2 inch wood works. And I'm going to be using the bandsaw, but a handsaw would work for this. So if you don't have a bandsaw, go for that. Alright, for this next step, you're going to need some Super 77 spray adhesive. That's what I use anyway. I spray it onto my sheet of paper. And then it's just like glue and it sticks on right there so that on the bandsaw I can know where I'm going to be cutting it. So I will put a link to this stuff in the description down below if you do not have it. And then just press down and try not to get any wrinkles in your piece of paper. There we go. So that won't be coming up anytime soon. And it dries pretty much instantly. So we're good to cut this out on the bandsaw whenever. So let's get to that. Alright, so I'm using 60 grit sandpaper to take the paper off of the wood. So here we go. Never mind, we can just peel it off. Alright, forget the 60 grit sandpaper. Alright, never mind, I do need the 60 grit sandpaper. Alright, here we go. Switch to 80 grit sandpaper to get the rest of the paper off and to smooth down. Alright, now we're gonna top it all off with a 220 grit sandpaper. Alright, so now that we finished with the sanding, we're gonna torch it all down to get that cool look. So now I'm just gonna clamp down the stick and line it up in the center and then take a nail gun and just drive it right through. I do at least 2 nails, but the more the better it'll stay. So there we go, that's looking pretty good. So then when we take it off, it looks something like that. So on to the next step. All right, for this next step, we're using a 3/16 drill bit. And we're just gonna set it down kind of like that and drill it right in the middle and all the way through. Next step, you're gonna need a little piece of metal and 4 of these O-rings. And I'll put a link down in this description below for both of those things too. And you're also going to need a vase with a hole running through it. I like these round ones. You're just gonna stick it through that, just like that, and put the last one on the end. And there you go. Perfect decoration for your home.